Hello guys. Today we will examine the code we have prepared with you in Java. Let's start. First of all, this code, um, this class represents a storage box that can hold items of any type. Firstly, we import array list and list because we will store the items in a list. Let's continue. The T syntax makes this generic class, meaning it can store any type of item. T represents the type parameter, which will be replaced with an actual type when we create an object. And items is a list that will store elements of type T. Capacity defines the maximum number of items that can be stored in the box. Let's continue storage box. The constructor initializes the storage box with a given capacity. This capacity assigns the provided value of the instance variable. This items creates an empty list to hold the items. Add item. Let's continue. Purpose adds an item to the storage box if there is space. As full checks if the box has reached its capacity. If the box is full, return false. It prints an error message and returns false. Otherwise, it adds the item to items list and prints a confirmation the message. Let's continue. Remove item. Purpose removes an item from the storage box if it's not empty. Is empty. Checks if the box is already empty. If the box is empty, it prints message and returns null. Otherwise, it removes the last added item and prints a confirmation message. Let's continue. It's empty. Returns true. If there are no items in the box, otherwise false. Boolean is full. Returns true if the number of stored items has reached the capacity. And let's continue. Override. This method allows the storage box to be printed in a readable format. When we print a storage box object, it will display its contents. Let's continue. We create a main class. The main method is the entry point of the program, and we will create a storage box, objects, and test adding, removing items. Testing with integer values. We create a storage box for integer with a capacity of 3. We try to add 5 numbers, but the capacity is only 3. The first 3 numbers will be added successfully, but the last 2 will print. Storage box is full. This code prints the contents of the box. Removing items. We try to remove 5 numbers again, but only 3 exist in the box. The first 3 calls remove the items successfully, but the last 2 prints storage box is empty. We create a storage box for strings with a capacity of 2. Apple, banana are added successfully. Cherry cannot be added because the box is full. And prints the contents of the string storage box. And removing strings, let's continue. First 2 calls remove banana and apple successfully, and the last calls prints storage box is empty. Since the box is already empty, and the last code, finally we print the storage box to confirm it's empty. So in this Java program, we explored how to create a generic storage box. We explored class that can hold items of any type by utilizing generics. We were able to make the class versatile, allowing it to store integers, strings, or any other type of object. We covered essential methods, for example, add item, remove item, and is full, is empty, to string, blah blah. Eventually, we demonstrated handling edge cases like attempting to add items when the box is full or trying to remove items from an empty box. Um, this exercise excellent way to understand how generics collections basic in Java. Thanks for watching.